How to buy Bitcoin on Etoro. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin on Etoro. Well, first things first, in order to buy a Bitcoin on Etoro, you want to go ahead and open up Etoro account. Then you want to complete the profile information and the KYC verification. In my case, I haven't completed the KYC verification, but I'll just show you quickly on how you can do so. Once you have done so, what you can do is you can head over to your wallet option, and on your wallet you can tap on transfer and you'll find the deposit option. You can tap on deposit and you can add funds or deposit funds into your account. Now once you have done so, you can head over to discover, you can head over to crypto, and you can look in for Bitcoin, or from the search bar you can look in for BTC or Bitcoin. So you can see Bitcoin, you can tap on it and you can open it up, and now here you can tap on trade. Now first you can see I don't have any, but you can tap on order type and you can go ahead and you can, once you have fund, you can go ahead and you can trade it, start trading, or you can buy it. So this way you'll have to place a buy order and you'll have to set up an Etoro crypto wallet as well, which is optional. So this way you can buy Bitcoin on Etoro. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.